Hi, welcome back to CarsAddiction.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ryan and we share car-related content every Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesday is a short snippet of any car encounter I come across, and Sunday is a full-fledged video of a project I'm doing, one of my cars, or anything else car-related. Now, for today, we're at Pro Speed Shop with our R33 GTR, and we're going to be servicing the vehicle and want to share the experience with you guys. Now, GTRs are actually selling for lots of money these days. Now, there was an R34 GTR selling for over $300,000 this week, and that's without auction fees, shipping, and all of that. Now, the R33 and R32 also share the RB26, so more or less the maintenance cost would be the same. So we want to go through the basic elements of maintenance and see if there's any surprises or anything like that, and we'll share everything with you guys. So let's get the car inside and get that started. And the bill came a total of just shy of 100 euros. Now, generally speaking, the engine does look a bit tired, but it's been maintained well. Its low kilometers did not need that much. In fact, we only changed the oil and the oil filter. We went for a Motul grade oil, 5W by 40, depending on our climate. Now, the cost of the oil in your area might differ and might differ to your use. The reason we went for Motul is that we might actually upgrade to a better oil later on, but because we changed the sort of grade of oil and we're just going to be using it for Sunday driving, we had that kind of oil in between before we go to the good stuff. Oil filter, thankfully, actually they had old stock of from Nismo. That was actually a bargain, thankful for that. Now, you might be thinking the labor and general checkup is way expensive, 60 euros. I think it's a bargain, and I'll tell you why. We got access to their tools, the lift, the oil disposer, which we don't have. There was also the mechanic there, which has years of experience. So if it took us hours, it will take them minutes. There's also the products they use, the brake cleaner, the power steering fluid, and whatnot. They even topped up the windshield fluid for us, which was nice of them. And more or less, that goes into that labor charge. And the thing is, you have this receipt. Now, this receipt is beneficial when you come to sell the car. It will show any potential buyers you took the time to document all the maintenance and that you did everything according to the book. Even when you're buying a car, if there's two vehicles, you actually prefer the one which has the full document history. So this is going to go into a folder. Like I said, we didn't have that much work. Now, this was a basic maintenance. Obviously, I would have liked to change the fuel filter, which is located there, but they didn't have in stock, so we'll order that and do it off camera. What else we'd like to do? We like to change the air filters. They're looking a bit tired. They've been cleaned from the shop, so it's good there, but we just sort of change them. Thankfully they are universal, 120 millimeters in diameter, so they shouldn't cost as much. We also had the brake disc and pads check. They all turned out in tolerances, so there's no needing to be changed there. Now the good thing about GTRs is they share a lot of components from other Nissans of the time, so they're not going to ask a big premium, and there's a lot of aftermarket parts for this. So obviously you're not going to go stock, you're always going to buy aftermarket, but you have a big choice of parts to choose from. And basically that is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps a lot for you guys who's doing maintenance on your car. Thanks for watching. Take care.